How to change a business account to a personal account in Gmail. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change a business account to a personal account in Gmail. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Then, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, tap on Manage your Google account. Now navigate to Data and Privacy. In the search bar, type Personal and tap on Business Personalization. Finally, turn off the toggle for business personalization to change your business account to a personal account in Gmail. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.